In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a working Airbnb promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then at google.com right here at the search box just type in Airbnb promo code and then hit on search. There you can find a lot of different websites where you can just open up any of them and where you can find a lot of different promo codes. You can scroll down to check them all and then you can pick one that you like more. For example, I want to grab 30% off. That coupon code actually gives me 30% off. I can hit right here at show coupon to see that promo code, and now I can hit at that button to copy it to my clipboard. Now I can move on to Airbnb website where I can book some apartment, and then all I have to do is just not to forget to enter that promo code at that promo code field, and then just don't forget to double check if that promo code actually applied. So yeah, for some reason it may be that that promo code is not working anymore, so you can in any time go back to that or to another website and try to use another promo code. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.